Welcome back. In the previous video, we made a histogram of age for the defaulting customer data, and this histogram revealed some dirt in it. So remember, this is a health club for adults. The histogram showing us that we have a lot of people who claim to have joined who are 0 years old, which really can't be. So these values are erroneous. Likewise, those 99s are. So the question is, how can we get rid of this dirt? So we're going to do this in two ways. We're going to make either a filter, or we can make a new variable that, that doesn't have those mistakes in there. Okay, so the first thing, if I wanted to get rid of those, I could just bring up the command that we made to make this histogram. So that was the command. But what we're going to do is, this is really a vector, and I can specify a Boolean expression that extracts only certain values. So this is going to look really ugly, but this is one way to do it. You just say default $age greater than or equal to 16, say, and default $age less than 90. So this expression in the middle is a Boolean expression that is going to be true whenever you have somebody between the ages of 16 and 89. It's going to be false otherwise. All right, so if I just hit enter, notice my histogram looks fine. All right, well, that's one way to do it. You can call that like a temporary filter. Another way that you could do this is to make a brand new variable that doesn't have that dirt in there. So if I say default $age2 is equal to default $age, I've just made a copy of that variable. So let's go look at default again. And what you're going to see is that we've now added a variable age2 that is exactly the same as age. Well, now what we're going to do is we're going to say default $age2, and we're going to put a filter on this. So any value where default $age2 even is, say, less than 16. Now you could put an or in here. Default $age2 greater than or equal to 90. Let's just make sure this is right. Then you set this equal to NA. NA means, it should be missing. So now let's go look at our head $default. I'm going to make the screen a little bit wider so that it all shows up in one row. And I think we got to go about 30 rows in. So if you say head, comma 30, what you're going to see is now we got some people with age 0 right here. So this is the age column. And lo and behold, the zeros got set equal to NAs. So now I think I can just do hist default $age2, and you're going to see the histogram is right without us having to do that other filter. Okay, so those are the two ways. You can either make a filter or create a new variable.